Hey everybody, welcome back to the Your Life Blueprint Sound Vibrations for the day of Monday. Monday is the day of the devotional quality. It's a lunar day, right? Yesterday was a solar day. Today is a lunar day. I have white on to honor the lunar energy, to honor the devotional energy, to merge with it, to get in that same vibe. And that's what we do here every day. We get in the vibe of the day so that that vibe puts you in touch where you have that energy of the day inside of you. Because you got 8 choices, 8 different places the devotional energy could be. For me, it's in my relationships, overall relationships with friends, family, neighbors. That's how I relate from a more lunar perspective. You could have it in the spiritual, of course, and that makes you, in the East, called a bhakti yogi. I would say just a devotional, spiritual person. It's all about love and the heart especially. So, who was or who is someone who has this devotional, spiritual energy? A great saint, still living, I believe, called Ammachi. Ammachi, from the Hindu tradition. She's known as the hugging saint, which goes right along with the heart. I got a hug from her one time, and even though this is not my spiritual path, boy, it was powerful. I really related to it. Know what I mean? I related to it. You wait in line for a really long time, and finally it's your turn, and you go up, and she hugs you. She takes you, she puts your head, well, almost like your ear, right by her heart. So you're almost hearing her heart. At the same time, you're getting this motherly, devotional hug. If you ever get a chance to experience it, try it. Hugging is very powerful. I have not had a hug in a very long time. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to read from Ammachi, and yeah, here she is too. Let's see what she looks like. Look at this. The hugging saint. I'm going to read from her and play the vibration of the day on the bass. Kind of hug the bass. Give the bass a hug. And it'll hug me back. Fill your hearts with love and gratitude. Life gives us what we need and not necessarily what we want. It follows its own wisdom, which is often incomprehensible to our gross minds. We should learn to accept situations in life. This attitude of acceptance is the secret to happiness. This is the whole thing about being a bhakti or a devotional spiritual person. It's all about accepting whatever comes, accepting it as a gift. Certainly the positive, but also accepting the negative as a gift. something for our growth. We grow from the challenges, not from the strong places. Be like the honey bee who gathers only nectar wherever it goes. Seek that goodness that is found in everyone. Happiness depends on how you accept, understand, and surrender to situations. Love is our true essence. Love has no limitations of caste, religion, race, or nationality. We are all beads strung together on the same thread of love. To awaken this unity and to spread to others the love that is our inherent nature is the true goal of human life. Make a firm decision. Whatever happens, I will be happy. I will be strong. God is always with me. Many of us have watched the waves at sea. They rise, then fall, then rise again. And this cycle continues endlessly. It is the same with our experience of the world and its objects and relationships. We may find happiness, but this happiness will soon turn to sorrow. The sorrow that we feel will subsequently turn back to happiness, but this oscillation continues endlessly. In order to maintain inner balance, we need to find peace within instead of depending on the external world. That's the truth right there. Love is the only medicine that can heal the wounds of the world. And where does love come from? The heart. So keep your heart open today, or open it if it's closed. Get in touch with it, feel it, experience it, give some love, give a hug. Love